As Aven continues to lead the industry in developing versatile, heavy-duty task lights to aid in industrial and precision work, we're proud to offer the new, redesigned, dual Gooseneck LED task light, ideal for workshops, machining centers, warehouses, garages, science labs, and more. Featuring two ultra-bright LEDs on 17-inch flexible goosenecks, this task light can be configured to add crucial illumination for countless applications. The goosenecks easily bend to the required position, providing limitless positioning options. Both lamps feature an adjustable focus ring. Open the ring to focus the light to a specific area, or close the ring to spread the light out for even, flush illumination. The on-off switch can be used to toggle between the two lamps for single lamp or dual lamp illumination. The dual Gooseneck LED task light features two mounting options. The built-in 4-inch heavy-duty table clamp connects to the side of any workbench to keep the device steady and secure. Perfect for inspection, quality control, and assembly applications, such as soldering. The dual magnetic bases attach to any magnetic surface for horizontal, vertical, or upside-down positioning. Ideal for workshops, machining centers, garages, or other environments where metal surfaces are common. Adding to the versatility, this lamp can be used with AA batteries or a 26650 style lithium-ion battery for portable use, or with the included power adapter for stationary use. Aven's dual Gooseneck LED task light, built for any task. To learn more about Aven's task lights, visit aventools.com or contact your Aven representative.